Welcome to the mysterious Amazon rainforest. As the sun gradually disappears among the treetops, the creatures of the rainforest begin to prepare for rest. Let's see who hasn't gone to sleep yet. Hello, monkey. He has been playing hide and seek with his friends all day. Now he begins to feel tired. He finds a comfortable place on a tree branch to curl up. Can you wave goodnight to the monkey? Good night, monkey. Hello, leopard. She has been quietly roaming the forest floor all day as the sun begins to set. She finds a rock to stretch her tired body. Can you blow a kiss to the leopard? Good night, leopard. Hello, parrot. He has been flying in the rainforest all day, now feeling full and tired. He finds a comfortable place among the leaves of a big tree, ready to spend the night. Can you lie down gently like the parrot, and then say goodnight? Good night, parrot. Hello, python. He has been wandering in the depths of the forest. Each step is quiet. Now, he curls up in a secluded place, his tail wrapped around a tree branch. Gently rub your eyes and say goodnight to the python. Good night, python. Hello, tree frog. The tree frog spent the day under the leaves. Now he begins to feel tired. He finds a leaf and sticks himself tightly to it. Can you lie down quietly like the tree frog and then say a tired good night? Good night, tree frog. Hello, ant. He has been shuttling on the forest floor, now feeling full and tired. He curls up in a safe cave to rest. Can you hug your toy and say goodnight to the ant? Good night, ant. Hello, crocodile. She has been gracefully floating in the river all day. Now it's time for her to close her eyes. Can you blink slowly like the crocodile and then whisper goodnight? Good night, crocodile. Hello, turtle. He has been busy in the forest all day. Now he is tired and ready to sleep. He curls up comfortably in a tree hole, ready to spend the night. Can you make the shape of a turtle and then say goodnight to the turtle? Good night, turtle. The Amazon rainforest is softly singing a lullaby. The stars are twinkling. All our forest friends are quietly preparing to sleep. You did a great job. helping each friend to sleep. Well done, little helper. Now it's your turn to rest. Close your eyes. Dream of all the adventures in the forest today. Good night, little one. Good night, Amazon rainforest.